guys, today I'm gonna make or cook spam ramen. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need the ramen noodles, and then the sauce for the ramen, and then eggs, spam. I already fried this one, and this one is not. Sauce for the, the one for the ramen. Inside the ramen. And then guys, the ramen. The spam that is not fried yet, but you know the one in the can is already cooked. So I'm gonna add that one, and the one that is fried already, we're gonna garnish this one. Okay guys, that's our ramen. So we're gonna add eggs. Okay. Okay guys, so look at that one. There's an egg already. Okay guys, garnish with the spam that is cooked already. Okay, and with green onions. Oh, look at this is our spam ramen guys. Okay, just okay guys. Oh, the egg. Oh, I like the eggs like that. Okay, and then just a little of the soup, and then the onions. Okay guys, so that's our okay guys, so that's our spam ramen. Okay, time. I just taste a little. First, I'm gonna taste the noodles. I didn't get a spam guys because I'm full already. That's yummy guys, because the noodles also, it's cooked al dente, it's not mushy. Okay. It's good for snacks. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bro Jack, to my Instagram, The_Bro_Jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, personal blog, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and unsupporters, thank you for watching.